All right, we're here at One Stop Auto Sales. Once again, this is Spencer Hood. I'm here with Stephen Amerson, Craig Amerson, Michelle Harris. Reach out to us by phone, 478-741-8009, or you can reach me by cell at 478-718-8009, 478-741-8009. What I've got for anyone out there, any kind of needing a work truck, this is a 2013 Ford F-150 XL. It's got the upgraded wheels and tires. It's an extended cab. Folks, this is a truck that you can get for about $250 a month with as little as $499 out of pocket with approved credit. Okay, when I say with approved credit, you don't have to have an 800 Beacon score. Once again, 2013 spray-in bed liner, upgraded. Those are factory Ford wheels, which you really do not see a tremendous number of those vehicles. And you've got a drop hitch receiver wiring harness, F-150 XL work truck here at One Stop Auto Sales, 478-741-8009, 2838 Gray Highway, located in Jones County in Macon, Georgia. And remember, don't be upside down in your next vehicle. Shop One Stop.